everybody, welcome to Working Mom Kitchen. Today I want to show you how we can fry chicken and make it tasty and make it taste even better than any other fried chicken. And you only need very simple ingredients. Here I have taken 2 pieces of drumstick, 2 pieces of chicken thigh and 1 wing. I have washed it and I have also used salt to wash them, and I've drained, and I've also used a kitchen towel to pat them dry. So we leave that aside. Okay, I am going to use paprika, cayenne pepper, 1 egg, some salt, and here I'm going to use some fresh black pepper, which I'm going to grind it, with this mortar and pestle. Some white pepper too. Why we use fresh ones? Because we want a better aroma. Okay. All right. Okay, let's see what we need to do. Some salt, paprika, cayenne, the freshly pounded black pepper and white pepper, okay, I'm going to leave some here. I'm going to mix into the flour mixture later. Now we're going to use clean hand to mix first. Okay, we have rubbed everything together and we're going to leave this to marinate for at least 30 minutes, okay, half an hour. Okay, let's put that aside. Okay, while the chicken is marinating, I have a tray here which I have put 1 cup of corn flour, and this is the mixture for fried chicken. I'll show you the box in a while. Okay, you may get this from any shop, any supermarket. It is the Kentucky all-purpose, fried chicken mixture, seasoned flour. The flour is seasoned with salt, pepper, and all. And then we're gonna give it a good mix here. And I'm gonna add a dash of both the cayenne and also the paprika, just a dash. Okay, there is no need to season with salt, but I want to add a bit of the pounded both black and white pepper here. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, here I have 1 cup of cornstarch and also about half a cup of the all-purpose fried chicken flour, okay, and with the pounded black and white pepper. Now the chicken has been marinating for 30 minutes. So let's break an egg here. Again, use your clean hand to mix the egg into the chicken pieces. Get them well coated. because this egg mixture is really going to help to, you know, to enhance the taste. It's going to give more crisp, and it's going to help, you know, the flour mixture to stick onto the meat pieces before we fry them. Okay, we're gonna start with the chicken wing. Coat the chicken with the flour mixture. Okay, just shake off the excess. Okay, heat oil to deep fry. And slowly drop the chicken pieces. So I'm going to fry this chicken for at least 3 minutes each side, and okay, and then we're gonna really fry it until it's, you know, it's crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. So the chicken has been frying for about 6 minutes now. Normally, chicken wings fries quicker than the chicken pie. So I'm going to give it another 1 minute. So now I'm going to take the chicken wing out onto a paper towel and give this drumstick another minute. Okay, let's take the drumstick out now. Okay. We have 2 more pieces to fry. Another piece of drumstick and a chicken thigh. Same, we will give it 3 minutes on each side and give slightly more time thereafter. Okay, the fried chicken is ready now, and it is raining outside. Let me show you the finished product. It looks very crispy here. Okay. Can you hear? Yeah, it's very crunchy and crispy. And let's see how it looks from the inside. Okay, this is how it looks. Is it clear? Okay. Alright, it looks very juicy and crispy. Let's cut another piece. It's really raining very heavily out there. Okay, you can see the chicken still holds its juices in there. Okay, it's soft and crispy on the outside. Let's give it a taste. I'll take a bit here. Okay, I'm going to go for a taste. It's very nice. It's really juicy and very crispy. Okay, I really hope that you will give this fried chicken a try. I can tell you that it really tastes better than whatever you can buy from outside, because it's homemade and it's really tasty, it's really crispy, and then it can save you a lot of money. So I hope that you will try this recipe at home. Until I see you on another session, bye for now.